I owe back taxes and I'm wondering, can I still become a U.S. citizen? Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration attorney here in St. Louis, Missouri. We get this question from time to time. We have people who come to see us that are thinking about filing for citizenship. In fact, we had someone here just recently. And the long and the short of it is that if you owe back taxes, you can become a U.S. citizen. Now, it is up to the immigration officer to decide whether or not you are a person of good moral character. So they're going to look at it at the totality of the circumstances in deciding whether or not your back payments owed constitute bad moral character or not. So they really have a lot of discretion, and we always want to apply and file as strong a case as possible. So to the extent that you can pay off your taxes before you file, that would always be our advice. But the law says that if you have a back payment order and you've been making payments on a regular basis, you can still naturalize. Here's what you have to do. You have to enter into a payment program with the IRS, and you have to follow that payment program. We wouldn't want to apply right after you started the payment program. It'd be much better to let some time pass to get some payments under your belt. So for instance, the fellow we met with yesterday, he's current for his last 3 years of taxes, and his back payment is from a franchise that went sour back about 3 or 4 years ago. He's made all of his payments in the last couple of years, and now he's catching up. He's actually making substantial payments every month, and he's done so for the last 2 years. So we feel pretty good about filing for a case like that because we've complied with the requirements. We have the payment plan. We're making the payments. We can document the payments, and we don't think that someone's going to conclude that just because we had a franchise that went south 5 years ago that we shouldn't be able to become a U.S. citizen. So as long as he keeps making those payments, we think there's no reason why the Immigration Service should deny the case. Now, with everything with immigration, they have a lot of discretion, and that's unfortunate because you really want to file it without any kind of negative factors on your case. But we think that it's worthwhile to go ahead and file, and so that's what he's decided to do. So we'll see how it turns out. In the long run, you should know that people with tax problems can, under certain circumstances like we just outlined, become a U.S. citizen. If you have any questions about that or any other part of the naturalization process, give us a call, 314-961-8200, or you can shoot me an email, jim@hackinglawpractice.com. Thanks.